Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Divya and today's video is a very exciting one. I have been wanting to do this trend for a long time now. And by long time, I mean I wanted to do this last week. You might notice some changes. There's a backdrop, like a beauty guru kind of backdrop. That is because we're doing a beauty challenge. Yep. So this trend recently started and I saw it when Gabbie Hanna did it. And then soon Jeffreestar did it, and then soon Jenna did it, and right now it's everywhere. And I really wanted to do it, so I chose Nikkietutorials, and she's amazing. And she's really good at what she does, and I'm a little bit scared because I picked up something very much out of my league. So let's see if I'm able to do it, and yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the video and let's do this. So there's a disclaimer to this video as well. I do not have any of the products that she uses. I'm going to basically use some cheap ass makeup products that I have, which look quite similar to what she has. And I'm going to give it my best. So if you see me struggling, I'm actually struggling. So let's go.
And that's it. Without any further ado, if you would like to know how to get this party glam cut crease ombre makeup look featuring the power of makeup, which is launching tomorrow, please keep watching.
I have so much makeup on my table, you cannot even imagine.
Favorite moisturizers, and I'm gonna pick it up on that beauty blender, and with this I'm gonna moisturize my skin.
So instead of the moisturizer, I'm gonna use this primer. To be honest, I've never used it before. She mixes two shades. That's what I'm gonna do because I do not have my perfect match yet. I'm a little scared, to be honest. We'll see what happens. So she puts up a lot of concealer.
For concealer today, I'll be going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer.
And that's what we'll do.
And same beauty blender, and we're gonna bounce that in.
Then she uses a primer for her eyelids and I don't have it, so I'm gonna use this concealer again for my eyelids. And then she puts a very light shade and I'm gonna use this shade right here.
From there, with a precise angle brush, I'm picking up the dark black from the palette called Wanted and just shaping out that outer corner.
I know that I'm gonna screw this one up so bad.
And filling the outer third in with that same brush and same color. Picking up some Makeup and Chill, and with this I'm going to blend from the black onto the lid. And this is going mainly on the center of the lid, blending in with that black. Now picking up Painkiller and blending that right next to Makeup and Chill. Going back in with Ivy and really highlighting the inner third and inner corner.
This is not how hers looks like. Mine is so much different. So this is the best that I could do. Let's see what she does next.
I'm going to pick up Makeup and Chill and I'm going to create a new crease, and make sure you leave a little bit of room for some glitter. With Painkiller and Makeup and Chill. And
why did I choose this one? Why did I choose this one? That's it. I'm not gonna touch it any further. So because I do not have glitter, I'm gonna use this shade right here.
And quickly setting it with the glitter from the kit.
I know this is not gonna work, but fingers crossed. Let's see what happens. So I did apply it, but it looks okay in the mirror, but I know you cannot see it on the camera. Can you see it? Comment down below if you can see this.
With the sketch mark liner, I'm creating a basic wing.
This is what we have so far, and I even bought fake lashes for this video. So we're gonna try and put them on. I'm gonna try and do this off camera. So it's on, and this is the best I could do. If you've never worn falsies, let me give you a piece of advice. They're very hard to put on and they weigh like hell. I can feel so much pressure on my eyes already. I can't wait to take it off. So we're just gonna complete the rest of the video and call it a day.
For cheeks, I'm first gonna cut them using my Kevin Aquan medium sculpting powder. And with a Zoeva 140 brush, I'm just gonna intensify the base of that contour. And then grab your face powder and your face brush and go right underneath to clean the line. What about that nose? And cupid as well.
Okay, so I have my lipstick on. I use this very light shade from MAC.
And then over top, I'll be applying the Ultra Metallic Liquid Lipstick in Versailles.
I don't have metallic lipstick, god damn it. I'll use this gloss from Lakme. So we have a setting spray. I borrowed this from a friend. This is matte finish setting spray. And I'll use it. I'm using it for the first time. Smells so bad, you have no idea. So this is the final look, and it does not look anything like hers, but it's close. So comment down below how I did I fail, did I succeed, or was I just okay? Because I think I was okay. And I'm gonna see you in my next video, hopefully next Wednesday. Until then, take care and bye-bye.